The travel time between Beijing and Shijiazhuang, capital of North China's Hebei province, through a high-speed rail has been cut to 1 hour after the implementation of a new railway operation map.
那么从今天开始呢，北京西站到石家庄之间每日不定开行10对60分钟直达的高铁列车，进一步压缩了北京到石家庄之间的时空距离。
The high-speed railway between Beijing and Shijiazhuang has advanced the coordinated development of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region.
旅客对于这种1个小时的一个乘车是非常认可。我们不光是从原来的商务流变更了现在一些学生流、探亲流，还有一些务工流，也纷纷选择了一些咱们最新的这个高铁列车。
The railway is part of the 2,298 kilometers Beijing-Guangzhou high-speed railway, which went into operation 10 years ago. The Beijing-Guangzhou high-speed railway is closely connected with 12 other high-speed railways in the country, promoting the development of the cities along the route.